Finally, we have some real-world battery life data for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The findings were stunning, since we had 3 battery test results, so watch the movie till the finish. Recently, a fellow YouTuber named S24 conducted a test to determine which phone has the best battery life. They used various apps in this test, including YouTube, Facebook, a racing game called Asphalt 8, and a difficult test called 3D Mark. Even though the Galaxy S24 Ultra has the same size battery as the earlier S23 Ultra, both at 5000 mAh, the S24 Ultra performs much better in the battery life test. The results of this test may surprise you or confirm your previous assumptions. The S23 Ultra barely lasted 8 hours and 10 minutes, whereas it lasted over 11 hours. This significant improvement is due to the S24 Ultra's improved CPU and fine-tuned software, which shows that Samsung is working hard to make its phones more efficient. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, which has a smaller battery than the Galaxy S24 Ultra, lasted 10 hours and 20 minutes in the test, which means it didn't last as long as the Galaxy S24 Ultra and lost its position as the top phone for phone life. However, it's interesting to note that even though the iPhone's battery is about 11% smaller than the S24 Ultra's, it only lasted 5% less time, which shows that the iPhone is very good at using its battery efficiently. In this test of high-end phones, the Pixel 8 Pro came in last with a battery life of 10 hours, only a little less than the iPhone. It's worth noting that although all 3 of these flagship phones, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and Pixel 8 Pro, have demonstrated significant increases in battery life when compared to previous versions, individuals may not notice a significant change in how long the battery lasts for daily usage. The S24 test did not go into detail about how healthy the batteries were in each phone order, screen resolution, and refresh rates, which are all important factors that affect how long a battery lasts, but it did show that all 3 phones have good battery life, which means that users can choose any of these phones and still expect good battery performance, which is something many people look for when purchasing a phone. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.